I recently have released not so many videos as in the weeks before. There are more reasons to it, but one of them is that previously I was filming the video in a table in our dining room. That is, as you agree, not the best place, as in some cases others were slightly limited in their activities in that area during filming. Another thing was that the manipulation with the camera, changing batteries, zooming, etc. was also a bit problematic, as it had to be on the top of a cupboard. The last one was that when I was filming larger sets like Empire State Building or the Barracuda ship, they were simply too big for the limited filming area and background. Due to that, I have decided to create a dedicated filming corner instead, and I want to share some details about it with you. At first, a white background and the stand for it was mandatory. Together, the price was about 50 euros. Another thing I invested in were two small IKEA tables that were also pretty cheap, 15 and 5, so 20 euros in total. Building them was also pretty easy, just 4 screws and 4 legs attached to the base plate. My filming area has windows behind, so I found a good use of my old Lego boxes to hide or cover my filming area and prevent direct sunlight from behind. Afterwards, I was thinking and trying to find a solution how to put my camera somewhere so I can have a good access to it. I have a sticky tripod for a GoPro. Unfortunately, I did not have sufficient adapter, and the built-in ball head was also too weak for a compact camera and heavy lens. On internet I found a nice inspiration to use a microphone stand instead. The thing is, there you should have an adapter between the microphones and camera screw size. I was a bit lucky, as there was also internal hole in my microphone stand, and its size was the one that is the standard for the tripods. I already had that kind of adapter between tripod and camera, so I was able to attach my camera there. The only thing that is missing is the artificial light. The default lights in the room are using neon technology, so they are pretty much blinking. That is hardly usable during the filming, so that is my next challenge, to go and replace them with some high lumen, non-blinking LED lights, and alternatively also buy some additional light on a stand for some further lighting adjustments and experiments. But that I will handle in the next video, so you are not too bored. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.